Fabrizio Porrino from Facility Live. Okay. I know Fleur well. We know each other well. We provided one of the study for the single digital gateway. I have a couple of questions. The first is regarding the development. Are you going to launch a tender, or is it going to be developed internally by the Commission? And regarding the pilot, can we know more about it? And regarding the other study in support, can we know more about it? And finally, on the structure, because we had some interaction at some point and then we stopped. So is the single digital gateway being a repository of link pointing towards national websites, or is going to be a place where information coming from the database in every single member state is mashed up and put together?
Thank you. Any other question at this moment? Thank you. Then I'll just invite Fleur to answer these questions. Thank you.
Yeah, so many thanks for the questions. So indeed, right now, for what concerns the search facility itself, we have launched a pilot, which is something that we are developing internally for the time being. The idea is to try to test the architecture that we have in mind and to see whether it could work for the beta version. That's the outcome of this pilot that is foreseen for the end of this year, that will enable us to define the technical requirements and to see how we approach the beta version. You asked a question also on the repository of links and where the data would be stored. So indeed, this is not about a single portal, but just a single gateway, meaning that we will not copy all the information that lies in different websites. The idea is just to store the links towards the websites that are part of the gateway, and then through the user interface, we'll guide the user towards the right information. And finally, regarding the other studies that we have launched, the one I was mentioning in particular is a study that is funded under the ISA² Programme, where we have some consultants helping us to develop an overall architecture for the SDG IT tools, try to identify the different interoperability problems, and propose some solutions.